Now we can start the setup Sunday. Okay. So here we can what task we have like I just list out all the tasks with the different groups. So in real time, everything will one line, but here I segregated just as a user creation and implementation project and a chart of account deployment and a legal entity primary ledgers and business units. Okay, there are four type of groups will be created. Okay, so first one just create user. Okay, first we have to create a user, then we can implement the project. So user creation you have seen already. Now we can put it as a green. Now we'll create a project. Okay, so let's see how we can create a project. Log in with the Mahesh user. Since Mahesh user having setup and maintenance, nothing but a application implementation consultant role, we can log in with the Mahesh user. Okay, go to setup and maintenance. So if you want to, you can make it note and so take a notebook and just write down the navigations. Okay, how while creating a project, how we can create a project. Okay, select setup and maintenance. Okay, so here we have a manage implementation project. Manage implementation projects. Click on manage implementation projects. So here you can see multiple projects you can see. Since it is Vision instance, so I am just providing the same instance to all of your, what are the students we have. So every students will use the same application. So that's why, so you can see there are many students who are using this application. So you can also create your own project and you can do your practice on the same instance level. But real time, only one project will be there. The client, whatever he configured, so the one only project will be showcased. So click on plus button to create a new project, implementation project. So I can put my name. Okay. So start date, you can put current date or month start date. Click on next button. So it will work bit late. And so here you can see there are many offerings available. Okay. So these are the modules and these are the offerings we call offerings. So you can select a required offering. So if you are configuring, if you are implementing a project for a client based on the business process, based on the requirement for the client business activities, you can select the offering. So now we are doing financials. So since we are acting as a financial function consultant and we are implementing for the financial models, GL, AP, or FACM. So you can select financials offerings. So if you are working for another HCM or PPM procurement or SCM level, there is options and you can select it. Okay, right. So select financials first, where it is financials. So when you enable or include it, include button, when you select include button, then it will expand the other options as well. So make sure each folder will be expanded when you include it. Okay, so just select whatever options are enabled. So this is under financials, customer invoice processing. Just enable here, then it will expand it. You can select each and every component under financials. Okay, you can select the business intelligence analyst. So you can also enable the same. Okay, yeah, these all are options, but that's fine. Under financials, you can select everything. So I just selected all the buttons what is available under financials. Under financials, I have enabled, included all the uh, offerings. Okay. So now just save and open project. Okay. Just a minute. Yeah. Now you can see the project is created. Okay. Mahesh implementation project. I just created a sample as my name. Okay. So in the real time, you can consider the name, company name, and not your personal name. Okay. You can consider as a company name. So whatever the company name we have, TCL or the company, whatever we are implementing, that company name you can consider. So here you can see financials. So this is a project implementation process. So this is project implementation process. Click on done button. So now you can see again, click on done button, go to home page. If you want to do some configurations in our project, then go to setup and maintenance and go to manage implementation project. You can search here your project. So this is the one. Now we can open it, expand financials. There you can see there are required setups and configurations what your needs to be do. Okay, so we'll start the setups. Okay, if I think time not sufficient today. So we'll do one thing. We'll start the setups from tomorrow. Okay. So just let me know if you have any questions for today's session. You can unmute and you can speak if you have any questions. So on project creation, user creation and project creation.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, whenever we are using user 92,
Okay.
first time we observed security and maintenance, setup and maintenance, sorry. This setup and maintenance.
Setup and maintenance, you will not see setup and maintenance
Okay.
for user 92 or 93, whatever I provide. So in that I will add only IT security manager. Okay, it will allow you to create your own user. So your name Sushila. Okay, you can create your own user Sushila and password. Then you can log in with your username Sushila and credentials. Then you can start your practice. So for you, your user, you can add the roles called as application implementation consultant, IT security manager, and employee. These roles you can assign to your user, not for 92 user. 92 user 92 is a service account. So it is just a platform to create our own user. You should not disturb, you should not add additional rules to the that user, 92 user. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Right. So we'll meet tomorrow. So we'll in tomorrow's sessions we can start the implementation project. Like so, what are the other activities? Like these two activities has been done, completed. From tomorrow we'll create a chart of account, primary lectures, and business units. How we can do that? We will see. Okay. Right. Thank you. After this session, I will share this sheet to you. Okay, for your reference. Okay. Right. Thank
Thank you.
you. Thank you all.